Replacing the windows in your Milton home is one of the most effective ways to boost comfort, improve energy efficiency, and enhance curb appeal. But when it comes time to install those new windows, many homeowners wonder whether they should tackle the project themselves or rely on a professional. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation is one upgrade where professional expertise truly makes a difference, especially in a New England climate like Milton's, where properly sealed, well-fitted windows are essential year-round. Here's why choosing professional window installation offers better results, long-term savings, and greater peace of mind for Milton homeowners. Proper fit and precise installation are essential. Even the highest quality window can fail to perform if it isn't installed with precision. Windows must be perfectly aligned, level, and tightly sealed, and even a small mistake can lead to major issues down the road. De-installation risks include gaps around the frame, hard to open or sticking windows, air leaks and drafts, water infiltration, reduced energy efficiency. Milton homes experience everything from freezing winters to humid summers, which means even small gaps can expand or contract, creating performance issues. Professional installers take precise measurements and ensure the window fits the opening perfectly. They use advanced tools and installation methods that most DIYers simply don't have. This ensures your new windows operate smoothly and stay secure throughout seasonal temperature changes. Professional installation maximizes energy efficiency. Many Milton homeowners choose replacement windows for their energy-saving benefits, but the full advantages can only be realized with proper installation. Professionals understand the correct use of insulation, how to seal gaps to prevent drafts, proper flashing techniques, the best placement of shims to avoid air leaks. In contrast, a DIY installation that misses or mishandles these details can lead to higher heating and cooling bills, uncomfortable indoor temperatures, increased strain on your HVAC system. Because New England winters can be harsh, professional installation ensures your windows deliver the energy savings you expect. Protection against moisture and weather damage. Moisture is one of a home's biggest enemies, and window openings are particularly vulnerable. An improperly sealed or flashed window allows water to seep into the frame, causing mold, rot, and potentially costly structural repairs. Milton's rainy springs, snowy winters, and humid summers require weather-resistant installation techniques that only trained professionals can guarantee. They know how to create watertight seals that protect your home from New England's unpredictable weather. Improved home security. Windows are a critical part of your home's security. A poorly installed window can be easier to force open or may not latch properly. Professional installers ensure secure anchoring, correct hardware installation, proper locking alignment, reinforced frame stability. This gives you added peace of mind, knowing your home is as safe and protected as possible. Higher long-term value and fewer repairs. A DIY window installation may seem cost-effective initially, but mistakes can lead to repairs that cost far more later on. Professionals help you avoid warped frames, broken seals, condensation between panes, premature window failure. Professional installation extends your window's lifespan, reduces maintenance needs, and protects your investment. Professional work comes with warranties. Most reputable installers offer workmanship warranties that protect you if anything goes wrong. De-installations typically void manufacturer warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for any future issues. With a professional, you're covered, and that alone can justify the investment. Final thoughts. For Milton homeowners, the benefits of professional window installation far outweigh the temptation of a DIY approach. From energy efficiency and moisture protection to long-term durability and enhanced security, expert installation ensures your windows perform at their best through every season New England brings. If you want your new windows to deliver lasting comfort, value, and reliability, trusting a professional is the smartest choice.